Was that Barbie girl?
No, no.
Oh, it's the Gingy Beard Man. It's the Gingy Beard Man show.
Go for a wander left.
That's a little Murray cod. Jeez. Oh, he's on. Mud marble. Eat the cheese, please. I want to catch something today.
You've already got me hooked, Daddy. I feel uncomfortable.
Very scenic, you know. All I need you to do is reach back so I can hold your hand, like, you know, those Instagram posts.
I was coming over here for a tip.
Well, this spot was a no-go, so on to the next.
It is exactly
Highlight of my day was riding in the Colorado. Well, at least you win today, Sam. You actually caught something.
One last time too.
I don't know what you gave Luke. I think he caught something off you. But,
and he holds the goal.
oh, that's bottomed out. There's the first snag of the day. What the fuck are you doing? Dumb and Dumber right here. Great success. Yeah, Sammy.
Oh, thanks, man.
Get some big fat worms.
Got a couple of worms on there, a bit of chicken, I'm gonna put some cheese on there.
Can you put any other random shit on there? God, you're trying
I
hard.
like the cod nugget. What was on?
Next time we go fishing, can you wear a shirt with buttons? Is it a dead cow? Got your gag in, mate.
Size on it. Good size, kind of great. That's personal best, mate.
I nearly fell over, man.
Yeah, it's all good. Ready?
Yeah.
Look, we're going to measure him.
That's 55.
That's 55. Legal.
Legal.
You're on again.
Woo! Yeah, boy. Bring him up. Let's measure him.
500, not quite legal. That's his butthole.
Let's put him back in, eh? Bit under.
Yep.
That's a little honey hole there, Sammy. Don't do what I did and come arse overhead. Bit smaller than the last one, mate. Fuck, there's some cod around here.
Another one.
You beauty. Catching and release, eh? Good job, mate.
Hey, bro.
Well done. Day done.